In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures on Tradingview. Understanding futures trading can open up a world of investment opportunities and expand your trading portfolio. So let's dive right in and explore each step to get you started confidently. First, let's open Tradingview. This platform offers an incredible array of tools for both novice and experienced traders, making it a popular choice for futures trading. Once you're on Tradingview, find your way to the chart area where all the action happens. This is your gateway to analyzing market movements, setting up your trades, and tracking your investments. Now, to start with your futures trade, click on the symbol search within the Tradingview interface. This search function is essential as it allows you to look up different financial instruments from stocks to futures contracts. In the search bar, enter MES, which stands for the Micro E-mini S&P 500 Index Futures. This is a great starting point for futures trading due to its high liquidity and established market. Once you type in MES, you will see a drop-down menu of options related to your query. You'll want to select Micro E-mini 500 Index Futures from this list. This particular futures contract provides exposure to the S&P 500 index, but with a smaller contract size than its regular E-mini counterpart, making it more accessible to smaller traders. Next, scroll to the bottom of your chart to access the trade menu. This section is crucial for setting up your trade parameters and executing orders directly from the chart. Look for the Trade button and click on it. This action interfaces with the market, allowing you to manage your positions and keep an eye on open trades. Moving forward, click on DOM, which stands for the depth of market. This feature provides a detailed view of buy and sell orders, giving you insights into the market depth and price levels where traders are most active. It's a fundamental tool for making well-informed trading decisions. Afterward, you'll need to choose the price at which you want to trade. Take your time analyzing the market, using technical indicators and trends that Tradingview supports to determine your entry price. Once you've settled on a price, ensure you're comfortable with the potential risks and rewards associated with it. Following your analysis, you'll be ready to place your trade. Click on the Buy button to set up the transaction. Ensure that your trade size, stop loss, and take profit levels are as planned. Finally, confirm your action by clicking Send to execute the order. When your trade is live, you can monitor it by clicking on Order. This will show you the progress of your trade, and you can make any necessary adjustments directly from the platform. In conclusion, trading futures on Tradingview involves using its intuitive chart tools, menu options, and comprehensive market analysis features. While it may seem complex initially, becoming familiar with these steps can make trading futures not only feasible, but potentially profitable. Keep practicing and studying, and over time, you'll develop the skills to navigate this dynamic market with confidence. Happy trading!